Good morning, students. Today I will teach you degree of comparison. This is the fourth chapter of Fun with Grammar book. In previous chapter I taught you adjective. So in this chapter we will know more about adjective and its degree. So the literal meaning of degree is measurement, but in English grammar, degree of comparison shows comparison of two quality or quantity. For example, Ram is more handsome than Raj. This tea is less tasty than that. For comparing two qualities, we use more and most. For comparing two quantity, we often use less and least. And for comparing two number of noun, we can use fewer and fewest. So basically, degree of comparison can be categorized into three groups: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So what is a positive degree? So simply we can say that positive degree only tells the quality of a noun. It doesn't make any comparison. For example, this is the picture of a dog and we can use the adjective small to describe this dog. We can write this is a small dog. Here we see that the word small is describing the dog and telling the quality of this dog, but it's not making any comparison. So we can say that here small adjective is in positive degree. Comparative degree normally compare two nouns and shows which noun has the greater degree of quality. Again, we can take the example of dog and we can see that here two dogs are there and we can compare it with the same adjective, like this dog is smaller than that. Here we can see that two dogs have been compared and the second dog has the greater degree of quality. So in this degree we use more or we add er to the adjective. Superlative degree compares more than two nouns to show that which noun has the least and the greatest degree of quality. So for example, we can say this is the smallest dog. So in this picture we can see that the last dog has been compared to other two dogs, and this statement shows that the last dog has the greatest degree of quality. So in this degree we use most or we add est to the adjective. We can change the degree of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. For example, Rohan is the most intelligent boy in our locality. Here we see that this sentence is in superlative degree. And we can write the same sentence in two other ways without changing the meaning of the sentence. So we can write it into comparative and positive degree and the meaning will remain the same. For example, in comparative degree we will write Rohan is more intelligent than any other boy in our locality. And in positive degree we will write no other boy in our locality is as intelligent as Rohan. Here we see that in comparative degree, Rohan has been compared to other boys of the locality to prove that he is the most intelligent boy. In the positive degree, we see that all the other boys of the locality have been compared to Rohan to show that Rohan has the greatest degree of quality. And in this way we can say that all the three statements are conveying the same meaning. This is also called sentence transformation. Let's see some more examples. COVID-19 is more dangerous than any other virus in the world. This sentence is in comparative degree. Now we will change it into superlative as well as in positive degree. COVID-19 is the most dangerous virus in the world. No other virus in the world is as dangerous as COVID-19. Other example is, no other school in Medini Nagar is reported to be as good as BLS. This sentence is in positive degree. So let's write it in two other ways, in superlative and in comparative degrees. BLS is reported to be the best school in Medini Nagar. BLS is reported to be better than any other school in Medini Nagar. So on the basis of this explanation and these examples, you will do exercise A and B as a homework. Thank you.